Hey guys, what's up? I just wanted to show you something I'm really excited about. So I love Trader Joe's products. They're always like really good, like on point. They sell them online, which is awesome. So if you don't have like a Trader Joe's store by you, it makes it easy to get, to order their products and stuff like that. I haven't found all of their products online, but a lot of them are sold online and pretty easy to get. So this is the Trader Joe's fudge sauce and fondue. Recently I bought like this, it's actually Trader Joe's also. It was like a big frozen chocolate chip cookie, and it was like the most delicious cookie I've ever had. It was frozen. It comes in like a skillet, and then you heat it up in the oven and you pour hot fudge sauce all over it. And I also bought like some fresh strawberries and stuff, and I wanted to dip them in a fudge sauce. I found this in the store and online, and I tried it once and I've been purchasing it ever since. It's like a nice treat. You can't have it all the time, obviously. Like, it's a dessert, so it is on the, high calorie side and stuff like that if you're gonna have a lot of it, but it's just so good. Nice little treat to treat yourself with. So for the perfect hot fudge sundae, stovetop, remove lid from jar, place jar in a small saucepan of simmering water. Water should come about halfway to the side of the jar. Heat for 10 minutes. Microwave, heat on medium for 30-second increments, stirring each time until sauce is heated through. So super easy to heat up. Comes in this nice glass jar. Nutrition fact, serving size is 1 tablespoon, which I probably had like 5 of, which is embarrassing, hate to admit it. There's 16 servings per container, about 70 calories per serving and 30 fat calories per serving. Ingredients right here: sugar, cream, sweetened condensed milk, glucose, butter, chocolate liqueur, cocoa powder, water, cultured dextrose for freshness. Salt contains milk. Distributed and sold exclusively by Trader Joe's in California, and it is vegetarian, which is perfect for me because I am vegetarian. Let's see what else. 45 milligrams of sodium, 9 grams of carbs, 7 grams of sugar, and 1 gram of protein. Awesome if you have like a fondue kit, which I don't have. You have to refrigerate it after opening. This also goes good on like any dessert, literally, like the hot fudge sundae, of course, and like I said, the chocolate chip cookie skillet, fresh strawberries, bananas, Rice Krispies treats, marshmallows, like anything you want to just add fudge to. If you're making like a dessert that calls for fudge or something, this is perfect. It's inexpensive. I like that it comes in the glass jar. Let's open it up so I could show you guys. I did have it in the refrigerator, so it is not like super soft. Show you guys the consistency. So like I said, like it's thick. It almost reminds me of the consistency of like peanut butter or Nutella or something like that. But like I said, I did have it in the refrigerator, so it's not going to be as smooth, but of course when you heat it up, it heats up really, really nicely, and then it's just great to like pour on whatever dessert or put in like a bowl, and then you could dip, then you could put, like, just to give you an idea, like toothpicks on fruits, and then dip it in. You could have, it's like a fun for like a fondue night, like me and my husband have had. If you have like a fondue machine, it's great for that. And if you have like guests over and you want to like give them a fun dessert, then I would heat this up and like keep it in like a hot pot or just in a bowl, and just have them like, and then you could like set up the desserts around it and kind of have them like dip the desserts in the chocolate fudge sauce, and it's so good, so tasty. Gets nice and soft, like a nice smooth consistency, and it just tastes delicious. So I definitely recommend this if you're looking for like a nice treat, or if you need a hot fudge sauce for your dessert. Trader Joe's products are always really good. I find that they don't have a lot of like additives or anything like that. There's really nothing ever on the labels that you can't pronounce. I'm really happy with them, and it's awesome that you could order it online, because I didn't even know that until today. And if you don't have like a Trader Joe's near you, which like my mom moved like a half hour away from Trader Joe's, and she's so upset, and she's just like, oh my god, like I miss it so much, because even though it's not a huge store, they do have awesome like snacks and stuff you could feel good about eating, because they don't add like a bunch of junk to it. So now that you could order it online, you can find all different products that they make. I love their desserts. This fudge sauce is out of this world. I hope you guys try it and I hope you love it. Have a great day.